How to reset Pandora Jewellery account's password. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you will find this icon. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. Head towards the option of password. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now from here, you can easily change your Pandora Jewellery account's password. If you want to reset your password, you will need to know your current password. So type in your current password over here. Now type in new password for your account. Confirm your new password. Once you fill this, click on the option of save. And with that, your password will be updated. So this way you can easily reset your Pandora Jewellery account's password. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.